In this video, I'm going to show you how to move column data in Excel. You want to move this column data easily anyway. So firstly select, and when you cursor see this cross sign, so drag and drop and keep your data where you want to move. You want to this B column data into K or J, so drop here like this. Similarly, so it's easy and quick method to move column data in Excel. Firstly select that column, and when your cursor will see in this side, so select it, pick it and drag and drop like this. That's it. Thanks for watching.